Hi and welcome to Clipsmixxx. We have today easy chess puzzles for beginners. Okay, best move for white, please. Okay, the move is bishop to f2 check. You have to remove your king, and then we can simply take this queen. Okay, nice. Okay, next one. Okay, two pawns and king. Okay. Okay, best move for white, please. Best move for white. Okay, you can simply play pawn to b5 and takes, and then uh, the king, and so on. It's not a problem. Okay, sorry, here, and then the queen. Okay, guys, thank you until next time. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. See you soon. Bye bye.